Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I recently had a birthday, and I got a birthday gift from Dorie at Dorie's Dollies. I opened this part of the box because Deron thought it was something he bought for me, and then I saw the um, little tags, of which I will save, and realized that this was not from Deron. So let's open this birthday present. Thank you so much, Dorie, for thinking of me. You are the sweetest thing. Handmade for love. Oh, wow. Oh, a reborn doll. Oh, my. What did you get me? A baby doll. Oh, how do I get her out? Let's see. Let's see. I want to be really careful. I don't want to tear the box up. Dorie has some of the most beautiful reborn babies. Oh, look at the little feet. See, it's like one of those openings on YouTube where they show the feet first. Oh, it's a Pika. Oh, it's a Pika. I love Pikas, but I did not have one. Oh, let's get her out. And now I think it's Pika Tuesdays.
Pika Wednesday.
Pika Wednesday. How did you know?
Because I do the videos.
Yeah, that's true. We've been doing Boo. Oh, look at her. Oh, let's get this off you, sweetheart. Oh, how cute. Oh, look at my Pika. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. Let's see what came with her. Wait, I want to save that. Oh, it's cute. Look, she's got little bloomers. Oh, gosh, she's so cute. Look at her little hands. I like the Pika hands. I always see those on the videos. Doesn't that look like a real child? I mean, oh, she's so cute. She is so cute. All right, let's see what's in this. Oh, we might have to show 2 videos in a day so I can join in on. I guess I'll have to wait. Oh, this for hair. How cute is that? Well, it goes this way. Oh, look at that. Look at my little Pika. Here, sweetie. I'll bet you could sit right here. Oh, you know what? I want the camera showing her. I do. She's got a little bottle, and her little pacifier is there. It is. Oh no,
Is it supposed to be magnetized?
it is magnetized, but it's not. I don't care. She's got a little diaper and a birth certificate and her product manual. Oh my goodness, Dorie. Thank you. Little care tips. Oh, that is far
I'll
out.
pull out the birth certificate again.
Okay.
Does this mean I can declare her on our taxes?
Well, I think that's fair because we have so many dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel, Dorie. I cannot thank you enough. I love her. Probably going to call her Dorie. Oh, she's those little eyes. I know they're supposed to have a bug name. That's kind of a YouTube tradition. And Cricket is already taken, which is what I would have used. So I don't know. I think I'm going to call her Dorie. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
And check out Dories' channel.
Yes,
Really
I'm just so excited I can't even think.